Hey everyone, welcome back. Tim here for Droid Life, and thank you very much for tuning into the channel. Today we're looking at the all-new G8 ThinQ from LG, the company's latest entry into the G series. Ahead of the phone's unveiling at MWC, LG invited us to go hands-on with the device, so we thank them very much for that. From the outside, the phone may not appear to be too different from last year's G7, though there are a handful of changes, plus the same audiophile-focused features that fans of the series have come to love. For specs, the G8 features a 6.1-inch Quad HD Plus Crystal Sound OLED full vision display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440. There's a Snapdragon 855 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and a 3500 mAh battery. On the back, we have a zero protrusion dual rear-facing camera setup, one 16 megapixel wide-angle camera, and one 12 megapixel standard camera. On the front, there's an 8 megapixel standard camera plus a new Z camera, aka a time-of-flight camera. The addition of the time-of-flight camera brings a new set of features to the G8 focused mostly on gesture controls and biometric authentication. With it, users can unlock the phone with the palm of their hand, and in addition, can open applications and control certain aspects of those apps with gestures. For example, you can quickly open YouTube with a pinch and swipe, then control playback or volume with a pinch and swipe or pinch and twist. Another main highlight of the G8 is LG's usage of a Crystal Sound OLED display. In layman's, this technology turns the display into a speaker diaphragm, eliminating the need for a front-facing speaker. Not only does this device get extremely loud when laying on a flat surface, but this implementation also allows for a bone conduction-like experience when talking on the phone. You know that sweet spot you typically need to find to properly hear on a call? With the G8, the whole top portion of the phone is that sweet spot. LG didn't provide pricing or availability at the time of this filming, but the company said it'll be available in the coming weeks here in the US. For more info, be sure to check out our complete write-up on the site, and until then, we're Droid Life. Peace.